Let's look at how we can set up our weekly folder with a pathways example for secondary. So, as in the previous ones, linear and playlist, and now in pathways, we took the exact same content, but we just created it in a different look and options for our students. So I'm going to open up the pathways. So as you can see, it starts off with the instructions for the week. The teacher has also recorded audio so that the students who need accommodations can listen to that. And then they have a journal assignment that they want them to complete each morning. So now they're going to start in the initial instruction folder. So part of a pathways is they're going to get their initial instruction and then they're going to take an assessment. Once they complete the assessment, the teacher will take the data from that assessment and create the pathways. So you'll see here that they have pathway folders. There's green, green and red. So based on the data, the teacher will decide which pathway, and I'm going to open it up this way. They've got this in here, and then I'm going to open up this in here. Now some of the assignments are the same, but you'll notice that they've added some additional assignments in each one as well for the different pathways. So they're not exactly the same. So once you create that pathway, you're going to come over here and you're going to individually assign that folder to the students who need that pathway. That way they see this folder and they won't see the red one. And so to keep that from happening, you also have to individually assign the students that are going to go into the red folder. So then that just shows up for those who are on this pathway. And when you put the individually assign the green one, then that only shows up for those students as well. And then they're going to work on that Monday through Wednesday. And then on Thursday and Friday, they will start doing some collaborative activities and things together. They also have a questions folder here, so if they are stuck, if they need extra additional support, they can post in there for the teacher. Just as with the other two lessons, since we actually created, it's got a lot of the same materials in there. We actually went to the Klein ISD curriculum. Hold on, I'll just open that one for a different one. Went into secondary, went into science, and into 8th grade. And then once they opened this, they opened the learning guide. When they open the learning guide, then they see that this is what they're supposed to start with. They click on this, and this gets them to the rest of the assignments or the overview, and they can go through here and click on the playlist and get to the curriculum and use that to create their lessons.